Uppsala is the largest reggae festival in Scandinavia, and this year's organizers didn't want to miss out, and neither did the reggae acts. So why not stream it from Jamaica? That's exactly what they did.
It's the Uppsala Reggae Jam shot right here in Jamaica, broadcasting to the world. TVJ, what go on?
There, nice to have you.
Very good, nice being here. Tell me a little bit about all the festivities. We come here and see where things are going.
Yeah, it's just the beginning, you know. Right now, we have a collaboration with Uppsala Reggae Festival as well as Reggae Jam Festival. Both of them have partnered with us at TVJ Studio to execute a virtual live stream festival.
It's been a great vibe. We needed to have done this, you understand what I mean? Because these are two or three of the only festivals that still have 90% Jamaicans. You know, even the chef when you go to them places is Jamaican food they eating. So it was time for us now to, as artists, to come and support.
We can't get to the people, so we bring the people as close as possible to us, isn't it?
Babylon, you're falling down. Me say you're not gonna live to the morning come. You wicked empire, me a chanting down. Cause you follow Lucifer, the falling sun. With the flattering lips and charming tongue. Most high blessing, now you're falling down. Cause the people are suffer like that. When the weaving and the morning and falling down. You have a sun. You never see it coming like thief in a night. When the city start burn up like weed in a pipe. Blood and flow like river through street. But a side politician in the role. Wheel on a boy. Brimstone, fire, earthquake and disaster. Nobody can save you, not even the pastor. You slaughter me like an animal in the pasture. When you a break all your laws and my heart fire falling down. I say you never live to see the morning. You wicked empire, me a chanting down. Follow Lucifer, the falling sun.
Come back, I'm sure you do a whole heap of festivals, but this must be a little bit different today.
Different vibe. But we give thanks. I'm just glad for the on stage again. We never get to see the fans and interact with the fans, but I just hope them full enjoy the show and you know what I mean, we just represent and burn the fire.
How was this experience? Was it rocking?
Yeah man, fully rocking, yeah.
Was it a little bit disappointing the fact that it had to be on an online platform?
We have to adjust and find new ways, so it actually pushes us as performers to really bring our A game here, you know?
The fact that the show able to go on even though we're not physically there with the people, but we're there with the heart. Seeing? Yeah.
No keep no squaring on your circle. Them come from every angle just to hurt you. Oh, hey, there's only lions in my day. No snake nor no rat can be my friend. Royalty, prisoner base of a currency. We no worship vanity. Unity is our sanity. Sleep, running like gravity. More for our family. Hey, we are the lion, them good. We see them panic and I want some marijuana. Pass the chalice round while we read a couple psalms. Every man not clean, no one want the drama. But I still a stay strap, I got to put the arms. Hey, we are the lion, them go. We are the lion, them we go. We are the lion, them go.
Jesse, how royal was this experience today?
It was an incredible experience. I mean, we who put in the work out there in the world know the worth of reggae to the people around the world, you know what I mean? So it's just about making Ude Boyasa understand what it is, understand the service that we provide to the world.
What is a scare to a Simba? When you learn them lessons, so you remember. Hyenas will try to divide the dogs. So my eyes open this side, for me these others.
It's intense, man.
Uppsala Reggae Jam Festival, keeping the flame burning.